Good day. Today is Tuesday, the 14th of March 2023, and this is your weather forecast for St. Maarten, Saba, and St. Eustatius. Currently in St. Maarten, we have warm temperatures, mild weather. Currently, there's no showers, and we do have a low chance of a brief shower here and there throughout the day. We see those similar temperatures and weather conditions in Saba and also in St. Eustatius. Across the Atlantic, we see that there's not much action for this time of year. We do have a cold front way off into the north and moving away from us. However, across the SSS Islands and the rest of the Atlantic, nothing much to talk about really. We are in the third month of the dry season, so that's the peak month, and this is the season that is outside of the hurricane season, of course, that runs from December to May. So around this time of year, we normally get mild weather across the Atlantic, across the Caribbean, across the SSS Islands. Now for Saharan dust, we do see that there is some slight Saharan dust just to the south of us, and well, not really affecting us to that. Not really affecting us right now. As for tomorrow, we do see that little bit of dust still lingering. However, we are seeing some moisture moving in from the north and the west. On Thursday, we expect some more moisture to move in, and this is coming in with another cold front. And we do have just a slight amount of Saharan dust getting a bit closer to us. So we're looking at a mix of light Saharan dust, light moisture. So later on in the week, we will talk about those weather conditions. As for the seas, we do see those rough seas with that light blue tint, so that's around 9 feet, and we do have moderate winds. It's not as light as yesterday, it's just a little bit more, but not exactly breezy either. As for tonight, we are seeing those conditions continuing with moderate winds and rough seas up to 9 feet. And tomorrow, similar conditions as well. So more of the same in terms of winds and seas. And looking across the entire Caribbean now, we see those light little green specks. Those are light showers that we are seeing popping up here and there, not really across the SSS Islands. And as for the clouds, we do have some patches moving into and around the SSS Islands. So that cloud cluster is what can give us that little brief chance for a light shower. Now, across the entire Caribbean, we see we have some patches moving in, as I spoke about. And again, not just the SSS Islands, but the entire Eastern Caribbean could expect a brief shower today. So our forecast: moderate winds, rough seas, a possible brief shower here and there. So it could be raining in Cold Bay and Notting Tongue. It could be dry in St. Peter's, and we got a shower in Sugar Garden. You know, that's what we mean by here and there. As for the seas, please be cautious, because it's not just the high seas. We do have some swells moving in with these cold fronts that are coming in and out of our area. So please be careful. Look out for rip currents. These are difficult to detect from the surface, as this is kind of like an undercurrent that could pull you out from the shore. So if you get stuck in one of those, swim parallel to the shore to get out of that strong pull, and that is how you are safely able to return back to shore. As for tonight, we do have that possible brief shower and cool temperatures. Tomorrow, we do see a possible brief shower or so, mostly in the afternoon, evening hours, and then those rough seas will continue tomorrow and expected for the rest of the week. Thank you so much for supporting our new platform. Thank you for supporting us with that cup of tea, and have yourself a great day. Take care.